Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a hot topic in the world of weight loss, javaburn. If you're looking to transform your daily coffee into a powerful weight loss ally, stick around. We'll cover javaburn reviews, its ingredients, how to use javaburn, and some tips on what to add to your coffee for weight loss. Let's jump in. So what exactly is javaburn? It's a unique dietary supplement that you add to your coffee. It's designed to boost your metabolism and help burn fat more efficiently. Imagine your morning coffee, not just waking you up, but also aiding in your weight loss journey with javaburn weight loss benefits. Sounds great, right? Now let's talk about how to use javaburn. It's super simple. Just take 1 packet of javaburn and mix it into your morning coffee. Stir it well, and you're good to go. You can enjoy it with your usual coffee routine, whether you like it black, with milk, or with a sweetener. It's designed to work with any type of coffee, so you don't have to change a thing. Let's talk about what's inside javaburn. This supplement is packed with natural ingredients that work together to support weight loss. Green coffee bean extract, known for its ability to regulate blood sugar and burn fat. Green tea extract, rich in antioxidants that boost metabolism. Chromium, which helps curb cravings and control appetite. L-carnitine, which converts fat into energy, keeping you active. And L-theanine, which promotes focus and calmness. These ingredients are carefully selected to help you on your javaburn weight loss journey. Javaburn has received positive feedback from users who have experienced noticeable weight loss and increased energy. Many people find it easy to incorporate into their routine by simply adding it to their coffee. Users report feeling more focused and alert throughout the day, thanks to the javaburn weight loss effects. Besides javaburn, here are a few other things you can add to your coffee to aid weight loss. Cinnamon, which helps regulate blood sugar and adds a hint of sweetness. Coconut oil, or MCT oil, which provides healthy fats that keep you full and boost metabolism. And cocoa powder, which offers antioxidants and satisfies chocolate cravings. Javaburn offers a simple way to enhance your coffee and support your weight loss goals. With its natural ingredients and positive reviews, it might be just what you need for effective javaburn weight loss. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. Thanks for tuning in. We have added the link to buy the product in the video description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips. Here's to a healthier, happier you with javaburn.